In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in Jasper AI. If you want Jasper to reference a web page or you simply need a clickable source attached to your content, the fastest way is to add a URL as context inside your project. We'll walk through it together step by step in a clear and friendly way. First, open Jasper and land on the home dashboard. From here, you have two simple paths into your work. If you're starting fresh, type your idea into the main prompt box to spin up a new canvas or document. If you're continuing work you've already started, browse your recent projects and select the one you want to open. Using an existing project keeps all your notes, drafts, and references gathered neatly in one place. Click the project to open it. Once the editor loads, click the title at the top so you're focused inside the document you plan to enhance with a link. Titles help with organization, so if you see a placeholder name, it's a good moment to make it descriptive and easy to find later. Next, look for the option labeled Add Context. This panel is where you give Jasper extra information to guide its writing. Choose Add URL. Attaching a URL here tells Jasper to treat that page as a reference source. This works beautifully for product pages, style guides, support docs, press releases, or any authoritative page you want Jasper to consult for facts and tone. Paste the full web address into the URL field. Use the complete link, including HTTPS, and aim for the canonical version of the page if possible. Public, stable pages work best. Content that sits behind a login may not be accessible. If your link includes long tracking parameters, consider trimming them so the URL stays clean and less likely to break over time. A quick check in your browser to confirm the page loads properly can save troubleshooting later. When everything looks correct, click Attach. You should now see the URL listed in your context area, saved with the project and ready to click whenever you need it. From here on, when you generate content in this document, Jasper will factor that source into its results, which can help with accuracy, consistency, and brand alignment. If you're working on a complex topic, you can repeat this same flow to attach additional high-quality sources as needed. And that's all there is to it. You opened your project, used Add Context, selected Add URL, pasted the address, and attached it. Keep your most important sources a click away and let Jasper write with the right references at hand.